That looks like Nerdy Boy. Nerdy Boy? Nerdy Boy here?
The Funkee Bunch.
Just arrived in Cancun. Woo! Mexico! Let the fun begin.
So we need to go to where? The lobby. And my mommy and my sisters here, you know, they don't want to walk. So my mom's about to steal this car right now. Legit, just straight up steal it.
I'm borrowing it. I'm taking a ride to the lobby. I'm not stealing.
All right, let's see that whoever brought this and is probably in this building right now is gonna be.
Just tell me how to start. You don't have the key. I don't need a key. Look. Heidi, what a beautiful hotel. Look at this. It's gorgeous. But why is Elissa sitting down?
Mom, that's not Elissa. She's right there.
What?
Hey!
Oh my gosh. Elissa, look. Oh my gosh, that looks just like you. That looks just like Elissa. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Are you loving Cancun?
I am.
You're all that in a bag of chips because you're sunbathing?
I'm not even sunbathing. I'm wearing a shirt.
Oh, okay. Love you, girl. You loving Mexico?
Yep.
Okay, so they're trying to go out into the ocean.
That's disgusting. It's like cow poo.
Cow
How
poop.
do you know a cow poo?
Look, they're trying to go out into that light blue circle over there. You could see right through, but to get through the seaweed, oh my gosh, it's so gross.
I don't know if I can do this.
You can do it on Heidi. Go out there. It's like seaweed soup, guys. It's like literally like soup.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
This is crazy. Just do it on Heidi.
Look how pretty that is out there.
Well, you've got to walk out there. Woohoo!
That's
Why are you guys running back?
There was a squid right next to me.
A squid?
It was so long. Ew, my feet feel disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, don't be afraid of a squid. It's just a squid.
That's awesome.
Just a squid? I would have heart failure. That is so scary. Okay, birds, get out of here before you poop on our heads. The invasion of the birds. Holy cow. Oh my gosh.
Look at that poop.
Right on my son's head. That's why they're coming around. This is so funny. Thank God he has a hat on. Go put some crackers on your head so the birds will come and eat
Hey,
it.
give me some crackers.
Here, get some on your head.
Should I take my hat off?
No, keep your hat on in case they poop. One
My
cracker,
butt is all wet and then it's gonna get
two cracker. All right, you ready? Let's see if they come. Stay away. Oh my gosh, they're gonna attack your head. This is really too scary. Look at my son and Heidi. Oh my gosh. Elissa and Lexi are being attacked. Okay, on Heidi, here you go. Cracker time. Let's do this.
Hey, you want some cracker?
Evil brother.
You want some cracker?
He's selling his sister out
You want some cracker?
to the birds.
Ain't just doing a crack, it's free. Right here. It's the only spot in Cancun you get your crackers. If you want crackers, you gotta get it here. You don't want crackers? Alright, fine, I don't care. I'll eat the crackers myself, alright?
There's the bird.
Sorry. Crackers for everybody.
At least you got a big old bird that ate the crackers on your head. Big birdie. Come on, birdies. They better not poop on me.
Cracker. Okay? Cracker, go down. You come, you fly, use bird wings, you eat cracker. Cracker, go. Manja.
He's got issues. Oh! Jeez!
5 hours later.
Oh my gosh, so we are in the lobby of our hotel.
It looks like a church ceiling.
It does, doesn't it? We're in the lobby of our hotel. This is absolutely gorgeous. You little nuts. You really just knocked that over? Okay, so Aunt Heidi just completely knocked this vase over. Sorry about that. Heidi, you're out of control.
Ow, I hurt my ankle really bad.
I can't believe you knocked that vase down.
Lex and I both just go like this at the same time, and we're like, oh my god, and try to pick it up. It was so heavy.
Thank God somebody wasn't standing right next to it. You would have like squashed them with it. This hotel looks so pretty.
Wow, this hotel is so pretty.
Stop imitating me, you little poop nugget. Oh my gosh, rude. Goodbye. On Heidi. Oh my gosh, a baby alligator. We just found a baby alligator. An iguana? Oh, hello iguana. On Heidi. Do you like that iguana?
Yeah, I named him Jerry. He's my new best friend.
Check it out, guys. We are going on a beautiful boat ride. Let me see you holla, girls. And then we're going down in a submarine.
It's really scared to do.
You'll be okay on Heidi.
I don't know about that.
You won't get stuck underwater and drown
Your
forever.
signal under the ocean? Yeah.
Oh, brother,
Sweet.
put your phone away. This is our awesome boat ride.
We're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Sailing through the sky. Little lifetime. Good Lord.
There's the yellow submarine. That's so cool. So we're gonna go underneath the water.
Are you excited to be stuck on the bottom of a boat with no way up? It's sharks and whales and
Sharks and whales.
You guys are evil. You're evil. You guys, so honestly, I don't think this is something I could do. I'm too scared to go underwater. The boat's leaving us. Goodbye. We're stuck here. I don't think I can do this, guys. This is just, and there's a whole bunch more people coming. That's scary. So I'm back up top. I don't think I can do it. Everybody's down except for me. I'm too scared. They don't want me up top. I'm always trouble. So I have a personal tour guide. I look so pretty. And he stuck me in this hole with my family. And if I get afraid, there's the staircase. That's the way out. Are you feeling well, son? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, a mermaid! Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, there she goes again. We made it. We're up on top of the boat. Now back on our boat. We survived the yellow submarine.
almost. I still feel like death.
Check it out! Downtown in the streets. Dangle Mom! Downtown Ecomahanas? Where are we?
Hey, fresh coconuts! Mom, you're supposed to drive on the right side of the road! Guys, chill! Look how awesome and colorful these stores are.
With doves.
Oh, whatever you just said.
A dove is a bird.
Oh. Oh, the little doggy. Woohoo! Yeah.
Get in this cart, girl!
Hey.
Woo! Golf cart surfing! Girls, look at this water. It's gorgeous. You okay? Hello. Oh my gosh, we can't even stand. Hey, Liz. Okay, Aunt Heidi's gonna try to do yoga on the boat. That looks like Nerdy Boy. Nerdy Boy?
Nerdy Boy here? Why is Nerdy Boy in Mexico?
That is so crazy.
All right, we We about to go ziplining, boy! Let's go! Let's see who's next. Here's on Heidi. There goes on Heidi. So now they're on their last line. So on Heidi's going first.
Iguana guy. That is so cool. Look, I'm gonna throw him a chip. Eat it, guy, eat it. He's eating the Pringles. Oh my gosh, they're coming out to get us. Try to pet him, Heidi, see what happens.
I think I'll pass. Thanks though.
Okay, so here you go. There's the sign. Don't feed the iguanas. Oopsie daisies. Boy, so pretty. Let's do an island dance. Snorkeling time. You have to try to find on Heidi. She's out there snorkeling. There she is. I found her. That's my girl. Hi, on Heidi. Peace. Are you guys seeing a lot of fish? Wow, look at that sand is so white. Come on, Chase, jump up. Chase is going into a swimming pool cave. Woo! Go, buddy. Woo! Awesome job. Oceanside. Oh, yeah. Pouring now.
Yeah, it's raining and we don't have any towels.
There's such a huge storm coming right now.
It's burning my sunburn.
I wonder if we're gonna have a hurricane.
So this is the test of the waterproof case that Heidi got for $11. On the side of the street from a random lady. So let's see. Is it wet?
Yeah.
Let's see. The test. And it is dry. Yay! $11 saved your phone. Hey.
Time to leave.
Hi everybody. We had fun though. Yeah.
Hey, Shawnee, it's time to go bye-bye now. Time to catch an airplane.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye,
We love you guys.
Love.
Bye, Cancun. We'll be back. Peace. Love. And Grumpy Bunch. So we are home from Mexico, and beautiful Little Bear is so happy to see us. Little Bear, we missed you. Okay, but now we have a little issue. We come home, and of course we had Little Bear outside. So we opened our door.
And a new friend wanted to come and play.
Yes, and who is that friend?
I named him Gerald, and he's currently behind the table.
Oh my God! Okay, it's a bird, and he flew in our house, and he's going crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, open up the windows, and let's get him out. Great, Heidi, knock down the curtain. Oh my gosh. Where is the bird? Look at on Heidi when she was a baby. This little Pookie, sweet baby. Do you hear his friends outside? Do you hear them crying? Yeah, they want him back. I can't believe you broke my daggone curtains, you little brat. Come inside, little boy. We're trying to get the birdie. I'm standing over here because I get too scared.
Why are you scared of a little innocent bird?
Elissa, there's a wild bird in the house.
Now's your time to shine, vegan.
Yeah, animal rescue girl. Come help this baby.
Wait, do you have a little bird collar?
Can you move the couch out?